But that blanket was in the crib. Why would she be covered with cat hair? Dada, you're making this difficult.
No, get off the blanket. No, get off the blanket. You already got burrs on it.
No.
You did too.
You look so sad.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Charlotte.
Charlotte, over here. Ooh. Oh, she's so close to moving that head over. She's gonna do it as soon as she Say hi. Hi. Oh, good job.
Just not as cute as the baby.
Good job. Oh,
All right.
you're doing so good. Here, Dad. Hey, Bubba. Oh, the babies. Oh, is she gonna get her head over? Can she do it? Can she do it? Oh, so close. So close. Say hi, baby Charlotte. Now you call, talk to her. See if she turns your way.
Charlotte.
And squeeze. Squeeze. Here comes the predator. Oh, what is that? Why are you being a spaz?
Bubba, no more spaz.
You can do it, baby.
Squeeze. Come on, squeeze.
You can do it. Wow, look at that.
There's two.
Look how far that head went up.
Yeah, but she's doing them girly style.
Oh.
Okay, squeeze.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn, double Belgian. Charlotte, you want to say hi? Say hi. And there's Mona in the stroller, and there's Bubba. Bubba, can you get off the blanket? Good boy. And bye, Daddy and Charlotte.
Bubba, Charlotte, eat the baby.